The following is a new feature that I'm working on, and what it is I'm taking the existing library and I'm converting it to use core data and to be a lot more Apple friendly and to look more like a general Apple app. Now, when I originally built GraphPad, everything was done in arrays, but when it gets to the library, that was very restrictive in what I could do. By adding core data, I now have the ability to do things like go in and actually take symbols from the built-in library and add them to my own libraries. So for example, I'm going to take this particular symbol and I can add it to my my images library just by pressing copy to category. And now when I go into my images, I'll see that that image is now there. And in addition to just copying those images over and geometry and symbols, etc., I can also go in and edit those. So for example, I can take that symbol, select it, go into edit mode, and now I can, for example, change the name of it, put in another name. So just put Rob on there or something like that. I could put in a cost associated with that. So $35, right? $34.95, something like that, etc. So this would interact with any tables that I had. So for example, if I had a bill of materials, as I drop that item in, it would go ahead and add it. And within my library, I can create new libraries of my own, or excuse me. So say for example, I wanted my own plumbing library. If I can spell correctly. I can then add to that any of the existing symbols or quickly create my own symbols. Edit this library. I can move this library to where it's on top. Of course, it's on top automatically right now. But say, for example, if I created my multiple libraries, I could actually organize those accordingly. So just go into edit mode, take roof and gutters, stick it on top, and it moves to the top, and now it's easier for me to find those. And likewise, delete categories if I don't want to look at them, or library entries if I don't want to look at them anymore. So this provides a degree of flexibility that trying to manage within arrays by themselves just became a little bit too cumbersome. But here we can actually add quite a bit of functionality. And this is going to be great for example, landscape architects. They can create their own symbols, but they can also create their list of products that they're selling. And then as they drop the products onto the drawing, it'll create a bill of materials for them with the actual costing. And that's my presentation. I have no real time frame in terms of when this is going to be available, but this is one of the things that I'm really focused on for the product and its direction. Thank you very much.